What is up here? It's too early to start a vlog. It's too early to start a day. However, it is 4 in the morning and it's PWG here with another video. I am right here in Heathrow Airport. Yesterday and 2 days ago I was shooting some videos with EA Sports for the new World Cup patch for FIFA 18. Instead of going back home, I stayed here in England, and today, after solid 2 hours and 15 minutes of sleep, I am going to Turkey with Daniel Rooseboom. What's up, guys? So we are right here in Izmir. We are here 2 days before the competition and just chilling, enjoying the vibes of this place. And goddamn, it is a beautiful place. And the food is delicious. It is. And the people are very, very friendly here. So the reason why we are here is because we're judging the Turkish national Red Bull Street Style qualifications. So that is on Saturday. So today we're just gonna chill. Tomorrow we're gonna have a freestyle meeting, and Saturday we're gonna do the competition. Okay, so after some time chilling and walking around Izmir, me and Daniel find an absolutely horrendously terrible training spot. It's that light, and this ground really, really bad, but we just needed to feel the ball for a little bit. So what do we gather from this training spot?
Well, we make the best out of it.
Exactly.
That was good. Some workout. Trying not to get fat. That's the thing. Stay freestyling until you're 37. So.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer every night.
How it always is when you're just bringing out the ball in the middle of the city. You get a street show. Alright, so today we've been shooting with a famous Turkish YouTuber.
Yeah.
So if you're Turkish, link will be in the description to his channel. And what are we gonna do now? We're just gonna train some more.
Today we are training something freestyle football with PWG and Daniel Rooseboom. Tomorrow is Turkish Championships.
That was Blokan. Go follow him on Instagram,
Yeah.
Blokan FS as well. So
Okay,
let's do some more stuff.
Yeah, we are going to train and we are thinking about shooting some cool videos freestyle.
In the tram. Oh, it's colder here. Here?
Yeah. Kapılar kapanacak.
Okay. Okay.
Lütfen. Alkış, alkış, alkış.
All right, so we are at the venue. It is the day of the competition. I'm with my man
yeah, big
Okan.
day.
How do you feel? Are you ready?
I'm ready, but I little excited, I think.
All right, so there are 16 players today, and I can't film anything because obviously I'm judging the competition.
Yeah.
So what I'll do is that I'll just have some clips from the highlights of the dude who filmed everything. And this is the MC, by the way. What is that, by the way? Oh. Hey!
Yeah.
So we're just gonna cut in some of the highlight clips from the competition. Okay, finish it. All right, so we're gonna start the competition. So that means we're gonna cut to the highlight clip now.